Blue Origin's vision, a comprehensive look at 20 years of space innovation and its next 5 missions. Overview of Blue Origin's 20-year journey. Founded in 2000 by Jeff Bezos, Blue Origin has established itself as a key player in the burgeoning field of space exploration. The company was created with the vision of fostering a future where millions of people can live and work in space. This ambitious goal is underpinned by the belief that access to space will dramatically expand humanity's horizons, allowing for economic growth, technological advancements, and the potential to benefit life on Earth. Central to Blue Origin's mission is the development of reusable rocket technology. The company aims to significantly reduce the cost of space travel, making it more accessible and sustainable. Over the past 2 decades, Blue Origin has achieved several key milestones that highlight its commitment to innovation and exploration. Key milestones and innovations. 1. Development of New Shepard. Blue Origin's flagship suborbital vehicle New Shepard was designed primarily for space tourism and scientific research. The vehicle made its first successful flight in 2015, marking a significant milestone for the company. Since then, New Shepard has completed multiple missions demonstrating the reliability and safety of its reusable rocket technology. Each successful flight not only brings paying customers closer to the edge of space but also serves as a platform for scientific experiments in microgravity. 2. New Glenn Launch Vehicle. Announced in 2016, the New Glenn rocket represents Blue Origin's entry into the heavy-lift orbital launch market. Designed to carry large payloads to orbit, New Glenn will cater to commercial satellite markets and government missions. The rocket is named after John Glenn, the first American to orbit Earth, and its first launch is eagerly awaited in the coming years, which will enhance Blue Origin's capabilities significantly. 3. Lunar missions. Blue Origin has been actively involved in NASA's Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the Moon by the mid-2020s. The company developed the Blue Moon lander designed to deliver cargo to the lunar surface. This initiative aligns with NASA's broader goal of establishing a sustainable human presence on the Moon, serving as a stepping stone for future Mars exploration. Upcoming missions. Looking ahead, Blue Origin has outlined a series of 5 upcoming missions that reflect its commitment to innovation and space exploration. 1. Suborbital tourism flights. Blue Origin plans to continue its New Shepard flights for commercial space tourism. The company aims to broaden its audience by offering more flights in the coming years, providing individuals with the opportunity to experience weightlessness and see Earth from space. 2. Science and research payloads. The company is collaborating with various institutions to carry scientific experiments and payloads on suborbital flights. These missions will contribute to advancements in microgravity research, providing invaluable data for scientific communities and potentially leading to breakthroughs in various fields. 3. New Glenn launches. The inaugural flight of the New Glenn rocket is on the horizon. This mission will support satellite deployments and is expected to pave the way for future missions to orbit, expanding Blue Origin's capabilities in the commercial launch sector. 4. Lunar payload delivery. As part of NASA's Artemis program, Blue Origin is preparing to execute missions that will deliver payloads to the Moon. These missions will contribute to lunar exploration infrastructure development and the establishment of a sustainable lunar presence. 5. Human landing system. Blue Origin is dedicated to the continued development of its lunar lander, which is crucial for humanity's return to the Moon. This system is expected to play a significant role in landing astronauts on the lunar surface as part of NASA's Artemis missions. Common themes and differentiations. Across various sources, a consistent theme emerges regarding Blue Origin's focus on sustainability and cost reduction through reusability. The company is dedicated to making space travel more accessible with an emphasis on environmentally responsible practices. While details on specific upcoming missions may vary slightly among sources, the overarching goals remain aligned with enhancing human presence in space and contributing to scientific research. The differences in reporting primarily revolve around the depth of technical specifications and timelines for upcoming missions. Some sources provide more detailed projections, while others focus on broader themes and the company's vision. Conclusion and future prospects. As Blue Origin navigates its next set of missions, it remains a pivotal player in the commercial space industry. Its commitment to innovation, sustainability, and the democratization of space travel positions it uniquely within the landscape of space exploration. The integration of reusable technology and a focus on lunar and orbital missions underscores its long-term vision of a multiplanetary future. The next 5 missions on the horizon are set to further solidify Blue Origin's legacy and potentially reshape the future of space travel. With a robust pipeline of projects and an unwavering commitment to its founding principles, Blue Origin is poised to continue leading the charge in the next era of space exploration. Blue Origin's vision for space exploration is marked by a commitment to making space travel more accessible and sustainable. Here are some counterintuitive insights from the content. 1. Focus on suborbital tourism. While many companies are targeting orbital missions as the primary aspect of space travel, Blue Origin is heavily investing in suborbital tourism. This may seem like a smaller step compared to full orbital flights, but it reflects a strategic approach to gradually increase public interest and participation in space exploration. 2. Reusability versus cost reduction. The emphasis on developing reusable rocket technology is not only about reducing costs for commercial launches but also about fostering a sustainable model for space travel. Many might assume that reusability is only a cost-saving measure, but it also addresses environmental concerns associated with space missions. 3. Lunar missions as a primary goal. Some may view lunar exploration as a secondary priority compared to Mars missions in the broader conversation about space colonization. However, Blue Origin's significant investment in lunar missions, particularly through its Blue Moon lander, suggests a belief that establishing a presence on the Moon is a crucial stepping stone for future interplanetary travel. 4. Collaboration with NASA. While competition among private space companies is often highlighted, Blue Origin's partnership with NASA for the Artemis program underscores a collaborative approach to achieving space exploration goals. This partnership might seem contradictory to the competitive nature of the commercial space industry, indicating that collaboration can be as vital as competition in advancing space technology. 5. Commercial payloads versus scientific research. The plan to carry scientific payloads alongside commercial missions may seem like a diversion from purely commercial objectives. However, this integration indicates that Blue Origin recognizes the dual need for economic viability and scientific advancement, suggesting that the two can coexist and fuel one another in the space sector. 6. Public engagement through tourism. The focus on space tourism might appear to divert attention from serious scientific endeavors. However, this strategy is a means of engaging the public with space exploration, potentially generating interest in funding for more serious scientific missions in the future. Overall, Blue Origin's multifaceted approach illustrates that the path to expanding human presence in space involves a combination of tourism, scientific research, and strategic partnerships, highlighting the complexities and nuances of the commercial space industry. Important content overlooked in Blue Origin's Vision Report. While the summary provided captures the essence of Blue Origin's achievements and future missions, several crucial aspects may be overshadowed by the more prominent highlights. These overlooked elements are significant as they provide deeper insights into Blue Origin's operational philosophy, strategic positioning in the space industry, and potential impacts on future space exploration. 1. Focus on reusable technology beyond rockets. Most discussions surrounding Blue Origin focus primarily on its reusable rocket technology. However, the company's broader commitment to sustainability and reusability extends beyond just the rockets themselves. Blue Origin is investing in technologies that can be repurposed and reused across various missions, including habitats, landers, and other infrastructure that will support long-term human presence in space. Significance: this emphasis on reusable infrastructure is critical as it addresses one of the biggest challenges in space exploration, the high cost and waste associated with single-use systems. By developing modular and reusable components, Blue Origin can significantly lower costs and increase operational efficiency in future missions. 2. Integration with NASA and broader space strategy. Blue Origin's involvement with NASA's Artemis program is frequently noted, but the implications of this relationship often go unexamined. Through its lunar lander Blue Moon, Blue Origin is not only contributing to the Artemis missions but is also positioning itself as a key player in the broader landscape of lunar exploration and potential colonization efforts. Significance: this partnership with NASA could open doors for future contracts, collaborations, and technological advancements. It could lead to a more significant role in lunar infrastructure, which is essential for long-term human habitation and exploration of other celestial bodies. Understanding this strategic positioning could provide insights into Blue Origin's future growth and influence in the space sector. 3. Microgravity research opportunities. The report mentions collaboration with various institutions for scientific experiments but does not delve into the specific microgravity research opportunities that Blue Origin's suborbital flights present. These missions allow for unique experiments that can only be conducted in a microgravity environment, contributing to fields such as material science, biology, and medicine. Significance: highlighting the potential scientific breakthroughs that may arise from these missions underscores Blue Origin's role not just as a transportation provider but as a facilitator of scientific advancement. This aspect is vital for garnering support from academic and governmental institutions, as well as for attracting investors interested in the commercial applications of scientific research. 4. Public perception and cultural impact. While Blue Origin's technological advancements are noteworthy, the cultural implications of its missions and the public's perception of space tourism are often overlooked. The company's efforts in making space travel accessible to a broader audience can shift societal views regarding space exploration and inspire new generations to pursue careers in STEM fields. Significance: the cultural impact of space tourism could lead to increased public interest and investment in space exploration. Understanding how Blue Origin navigates this landscape can provide insights into its marketing strategies and potential societal benefits of its missions. 5. Long-term vision of space colonization. Blue Origin's mission to enable millions to live and work in space is a profound statement that encompasses more than just short-term goals. The company envisions a future where large populations can inhabit space, which requires not only technological advancements but also considerations regarding sustainability, governance, and ethical implications of space colonization. Significance: this long-term vision raises important questions about humanity's role in space and the responsibilities that come with it. Addressing these considerations can help shape policies and international regulations governing space exploration, making it a crucial aspect of Blue Origin's narrative that warrants further exploration. 6. Diversity and inclusion initiatives. The report does not mention Blue Origin's efforts regarding diversity and inclusion within the workforce. As the company prepares for its upcoming missions, fostering a diverse team can drive innovation and enhance problem-solving capabilities. Significance: highlighting initiatives aimed at promoting diversity can improve the company's image and attract talent from various backgrounds, which is essential for fostering creativity and expanding the talent pool in the competitive space industry. This focus can also resonate with a broader audience, aligning with contemporary societal values regarding inclusion. 7. Challenges and risks ahead. The report primarily presents an optimistic outlook on Blue Origin's future without adequately addressing the challenges and risks associated with its ambitious plans. These challenges include competition from other space companies, regulatory hurdles, technological failures, and the unpredictability of public interest in space tourism. Significance: acknowledging these risks is crucial for a balanced assessment of Blue Origin's prospects. Understanding the landscape of competition and potential pitfalls can provide stakeholders with a realistic view of the company's future and inform better decision-making processes. Conclusion. In conclusion, while Blue Origin's advancements in space technology and upcoming missions are impressive and deserve recognition, the overlooked aspects discussed above provide a more comprehensive understanding of the company's strategic positioning, societal implications, and operational challenges. Addressing these areas not only enriches the narrative surrounding Blue Origin but also highlights the multifaceted nature of space exploration and the responsibilities it entails. As the company continues to push boundaries, these considerations will be vital for shaping the future of human activity beyond Earth. 1. Reusable rocket technology. Blue Origin's focus on developing reusable rocket technology, exemplified by the new Shepard and the upcoming New Glenn, is a game-changer for the space industry. This innovation not only significantly reduces the cost of access to space but also increases the frequency and reliability of space missions. The implications of this technology extend beyond commercial spaceflight, potentially facilitating more extensive scientific research and exploration missions. 2. Lunar exploration initiatives. Blue Origin's involvement in NASA's Artemis program through the development of the Blue Moon lander highlights its commitment to lunar exploration. The company's plans to deliver payloads to the Moon and support the establishment of a sustainable human presence align with global efforts to return humans to the lunar surface. This focus on lunar missions positions Blue Origin as a key player in the future of space exploration. 3. Commercial space tourism. The ongoing development of suborbital tourism flights using the new Shepard vehicle represents a significant milestone in making space accessible to a broader audience. By targeting commercial space tourism, Blue Origin is not only creating new market opportunities but also inspiring public interest in space exploration. This shift could lead to a cultural change where space travel becomes a normalized part of human experience. 4. Collaborative scientific research. Blue Origin's commitment to partnering with various institutions for scientific experiments and payloads on suborbital flights showcases its dedication to advancing research in microgravity. By facilitating these collaborations, Blue Origin contributes to the broader scientific community's efforts to understand fundamental processes and develop new technologies that can benefit life on Earth and beyond. This collaborative approach emphasizes the importance of space as a platform for scientific inquiry and innovation. 1. The Space Race 1957 to 1975. The space race was a period of intense competition between the United States and the Soviet Union, primarily during the Cold War. Characterized by significant advancements in space exploration technologies and missions. It began with the launch of Sputnik 1 by the Soviet Union in 1957, which marked the first artificial satellite in orbit. Notable milestones included the first human in space, Yuri Gagarin, in 1961, and the Apollo 11 mission that successfully landed humans on the Moon in 1969. The space race not only advanced rocket technology but also fueled international interest in space exploration and established the foundational frameworks for future missions. 2. The Apollo Program 1961 to 1972. NASA's Apollo program was a series of space missions aimed at landing humans on the Moon and bringing them safely back to Earth. Initiated by President John F. Kennedy's famous 1961 speech, the program culminated in the historic Apollo 11 mission in July 1969, where astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first and second humans to walk on the lunar surface. The Apollo program showcased the potential of human spaceflight and significantly advanced aerospace technology, including the development of the Saturn V rocket and the lunar module, setting a precedent for future space exploration endeavors. 3. Mars exploration rovers 2003-present. NASA's Mars Exploration Rover program, which began with the launch of Spirit and Opportunity in 2003, represents a crucial phase in the exploration of Mars. These rovers were designed to investigate the Martian surface, analyze soil samples, and search for signs of past life. Their discoveries greatly enhanced our understanding of Mars, demonstrating the planet's potential for past habitability. Subsequent missions, including Curiosity 2012 and Perseverance 2020, have continued this legacy, focusing on astrobiology and paving the way for future human exploration. The ongoing advancements in rover technology and data collection echo the innovative spirit seen in Blue Origin's mission to make space more accessible. Future outlook: Blue Origin's vision and predictions for the next 2 decades. As Blue Origin looks to the future, the next 20 years promise to be transformative for space exploration, driven by technological advancements and visionary missions. Here are predictions regarding Blue Origin's trajectory, its planned missions, and the broader implications for space travel. 1. Expansion of space tourism. Prediction: the suborbital tourism market will expand significantly, with Blue Origin leading the charge. By 2040, it is anticipated that space tourism will evolve into a mainstream leisure activity, with millions of people experiencing space travel. Rationale: with the continued success of the new Shepard program coupled with innovations in safety and affordability, Blue Origin is positioned to cater to a growing demographic eager for space experiences. This will likely include varied offerings from short flights to extended stays in space hotels. 2. Advancements in reusable rocket technology. Prediction: Blue Origin will develop even more advanced reusable rocket systems, further decreasing the cost of access to space. By 2045, launch costs could be reduced by 90% compared to traditional methods, making space more accessible. Rationale: the company's core philosophy of reusability will drive continuous improvements in rocket technology. Innovations could include rapid turnaround capabilities for launches, allowing for multiple missions within a single day. 3. Lunar and Mars missions. Prediction: Blue Origin will play a critical role in establishing a sustainable human presence on the Moon by 2030 and will start laying the groundwork for crewed missions to Mars by 2040. Rationale: participation in NASA's Artemis program and the development of the Blue Moon lunar lander will position Blue Origin as a key player in lunar exploration. This will likely lead to partnerships with international space agencies and private companies for Mars missions, leveraging lessons learned from lunar operations. 4. Increased collaboration with scientific institutions. Prediction: Blue Origin will expand its partnerships with universities and research organizations, significantly increasing the number of scientific payloads flown to space. Rationale: as suborbital flights become routine, universities and research entities will seek to utilize the unique conditions of microgravity. This collaboration could lead to breakthroughs in fields such as medicine, materials science, and environmental studies, solidifying Blue Origin's status as a leader in space-based research. 5. Development of space infrastructure. Prediction: by 2040, Blue Origin will be instrumental in the construction of space stations and habitats that support long-term human activity in low Earth orbit (LEO) and on the Moon. Rationale: the company's vision of millions of people living and working in space will necessitate infrastructure development. This could include commercial space stations, lunar bases, and orbital manufacturing facilities, enabling extended human presence and commercial activities in space. 6. Environmental sustainability in space operations. Prediction: Blue Origin will pioneer environmentally sustainable practices in space operations, influencing industry standards by 2035. Rationale: as concerns about space debris and the environmental impacts of rocket launches grow, Blue Origin is likely to lead initiatives focused on sustainability. This may include developing eco-friendly propellants and technologies to mitigate space debris, reinforcing its commitment to responsible space exploration. 7. Technological innovations beyond rocketry. Prediction: Blue Origin will diversify its technological innovations beyond launch vehicles, contributing to advancements in propulsion systems in space manufacturing and space habitats. Rationale: with a focus on creating a multi-planetary future, Blue Origin will invest in research and development of new technologies that support life in space. This may include advanced life support systems, in situ resource utilization ISRU technologies for using lunar or Martian materials, and robotic systems for exploration and construction. 8. Global space economy growth. Prediction: Blue Origin will significantly contribute to the growth of the global space economy, which could reach trillions of dollars by 2040. Rationale: as space travel becomes more accessible, the commercial space sector will expand, encompassing tourism, satellite deployment, research, and resources. Blue Origin's diverse offerings will attract investment and stimulate economic activity, positioning the company as a central player in this new economy. 9. Humanity's multiplanetary future. Prediction: by 2045, Blue Origin will have established a foothold on the Moon and initiated the first steps toward human exploration of Mars. Rationale: with its ongoing commitment to lunar missions and potential human landing systems, Blue Origin is likely to lead initiatives that enable humanity's expansion beyond Earth. This could include the establishment of lunar bases that serve as waypoints for deeper space exploration. Conclusion: Blue Origin stands at the forefront of a new era in space exploration. With its ambitious vision and commitment to innovation, the company is poised to not only revolutionize space travel but also contribute to the establishment of a sustainable human presence beyond Earth. As we look ahead to the next 2 decades, the implications of Blue Origin's advancements will resonate across various sectors, potentially reshaping our understanding of life in space and our place in the universe.